Place your knee and your elbow on top of the step. Keep your torso slightly open and extend the leg on the floor far back, sticking your glutes out. During the execution, never let your elbow bend too much, as this puts more pressure on your trapezius. Open your chest wide and bring your wrist toward your hip, keeping your elbow slightly open. This puts much more focus on your back muscles, always retracting your shoulder blades firmly, of course. On the way back, bring the weight forward in a pendulum motion, really stretching your lats and exhaling all the air. When you contract, take a deep breath in and bring your elbow way up, increasing your range of motion and making it easier to engage your shoulder blades, like the tip. Then go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like and share it with that friend who always gets the dumbbell row wrong.